What's good, y'all? It's your girl Diva V, and I am back with another video. Okay, so before we get into this, right, I know that I have been not around for quite some time on my YouTube channel, y'all. But I am here still. I am well, and I appreciate you all still nonetheless coming through, showing love and support to your girl on my channel still. I love and miss you all so very much. And I know that I was not going to be creating new hair content. So every so often I would post a new YouTube video that I had pre-recorded previously before I stopped taking clients full time. So as you all can see right here, I'm just sectioning off to create some box braids. This is one of my close friends. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. Any questions that you all have, please feel free to leave in the comments below. I know that right now I'm not recording new hair content. So, well, as far as like hair tutorials is what I'm saying. So if you all have any other content that you all would like for me to do until I start back servicing clients, then just write down in the comments below what other content you all would like for me to upload onto my channel. Still in regards to hair, beauty, whatever have you, you know. I don't just braid. I am a licensed cosmetologist / master hair care specialist. So any questions that you all have as far as like just business advice or anything, like just you can ask. And also drop down in the comments how you all have been. I know it's been a while. I really pray that everyone has been good, well, and safe. Now let's get into this video.
If you wonder, what you gon' do? What you gon' do? Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, and bad speed up. Say you're not treat man bad true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No say you're not my girl, but you run down. Remember how you say you want me. Send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody. No say you got that body, eh. Baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, you change the wave on me. Make me feel away, lonely. Ain't no complaints on me, but I feel away, mommy. You playing games on me. I make it rain, oh. You feel away, oh. But what make you stay so? Baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. Make it all night if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat up. No say that my girl, but you don't know. Remember you say you want me, sing girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody, no say you got that. Hey, baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you gonna do. You can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life for me gonna do. Make you feel nice for me gonna do. Girl, you don't know what you don't do. Girl, I just wanna see you rock, girl. Turn around and tick tock, girl. Girl, I just wanna see you rock, girl. Turn around and tick, tick, tick. Girl, I just wanna see you rock, girl. Turn around and tick tock, girl. Girl, I just wanna see you turn around and tick tock, girl.
Tell me what you want, 'cause someone get it all for you. Looking after all the mistakes made. See it in the review, me and them see. I gonna let it go. Your body got me tired, it's a miracle that I'm even sleeping alone. We're at the pinnacle. Come on over if you're in my lane. I heard you move back from East LA. Haven't seen you since our last bad day. Maybe you could just come back to my place. Doesn't look like you had a bad lately, so maybe a little stress couldn't hurt us, babe. Maybe stars align crazy, it's crazy. You say you go crazy in bed instead of bed. You said you got a man, but where the fuck he at? 'Cause last time I checked, he going through the math. He's on some other bitch all up in the back.
He's getting high after shit that you brought.
And does he know now that we're hanging around? 'Cause I like to know if we're fine. Yeah. Don't see, I couldn't let it go. Your body got me tired, it's a miracle. I'm even sleeping low. We're at the pinnacle. Come on over if you're in my lane. I heard you move back from East LA. Haven't seen you since our last bad day. Maybe you could just come back to my place. Doesn't look like you had a bad lately, so maybe a little stress can hurt us, babe. Maybe stars align crazy, it's crazy.
All right, y'all, we getting midway. So if you're still up watching this video, let me know in the comments a weakness you have within something you love to do. For example, for me, I love doing hair. No, that's not a good example. For me, I love to do social media. And my weakness within social media, like content, things in that nature is consistency. So I would say that I'm not the most consistent when it comes down into that area of things. So comment down below what you feel is your weakness and something that you like to do. And let's see if we can turn those into strengths coming into the new year. Also, comment down below one goal that you're really wanting to focus on either before this year is out or during 2026. So yeah, I hope you all are enjoying the video thus far, and let's just go ahead and get right back into it now. My client, and again, this is one of my close friends, but she wanted number 30 as peekable, and then she wanted, I think that was either 1 or 1B. I'm pretty sure that was number 1 here I used. That's what it looks like looking at it. Yeah, I did this video in 2024 sometime, so I really don't remember exactly. But yeah.
Original bad man. One time, one time, one time, one time, one time, one time. Oh Lord have mercy. This isn't funny. As I did nothing feel stress me. As you did wine up for me. Bring all that sexy body. Come wear this shit up on me. Take it, wine up for me. For me. For me. Can't concentrate, there's no debate. When you pull up in the place, them I no delay. You off it, them I go on to say, who's that girl with the big backside? Oh no, leave me on standby. Magic shine with the big back vibe, oh no. I be bad man, come on. Oh Lord have mercy. This isn't funny, as I did nothing feel stress me. As you did wine up for me. Bring all that sexy body. Come wear this shit up on me. Take it, wine up for me. For me. For me. Chick for me. Chick body. Chick for me. Chick body. Mike Inspector, number 1 selector, rewind selector, you pon selector, me gon' selector, rhythm inspector, sheep on the next one, me gon' selector. Boom, on the road, bad man, feel show you how it goes, you already know. Bad man on the vibe, me have to show you how it goes. Boom, oh Lord have mercy, this isn't funny, as I did nothing feel stress me, as you did wine up for me. Bring all that sexy body. Come wear this shit up on me. Take it, wine up for me. For me. For me. Chick for me. Chick body. Chick for me. Chick body. Original bad man. Original bad man. Oh Lord of His mercy. One time, one time, one time, one time. Oh Lord of His mercy. She dey give me steady. She dey want impress me. On the vibe I'm ready. You have to say you I need more time. More time, me I give you more time. One time you a waste my time. Long time, me I give you no time. You catch a vibe, I know. I blow your mind, I know. Temperature rise, I know. I make you one go low. And I will be the only one that's down for you. All I love is mercy. She they give me steady. She they want impress me. On the vibe, I'm ready. Steady on my mind, steady all the time. When I make you mine, can you tell me what's on your mind? Cause I'm willing and able, loving and able. And I go be the only one that's down for you. All I love is mercy. She they give me steady. She they want impress me. On the vibe, I'm ready. I'm ready. Original.
I really hope you all enjoyed this video thus far. As always, thumbs up this video. Go watch other videos I have on my channel. Make sure you subscribe to your girl because I will be coming back full throttle with new hair content, okay? I appreciate y'all so much, and per usual, yes, look how pretty it is. And I'm sorry. See, like I said, y'all thought I was only doing color in the back for peekaboo, but it turns out I did a few colors of braids in the front of color. All right, y'all. So it turned out beautiful. Until next time, I love you all. Mwah.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, yeah, yeah. Original Batman.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low.